Hi, my name is Cathy Reiling. I am a trainer with EFT International, and I'm going to show you how to do the constricted breathing exercise. This exercise is great for expanding your lungs, for strengthening your lungs, and for overall relaxation. So if you have any difficulties with your lungs, I ask you to consult your doctor and taking full responsibility for your own health. So here's how you do the constricted breathing exercise. First, we are going to take 3 deep breaths, comfortably deep breaths. And on the third one, we're actually going to measure on a 0 to 100% how full that breath feels in our lungs. So let's go ahead with breath number 1. Inhale through your nose and exhale out your mouth. Again. Now on this breath, fill your lungs to capacity and measure 0 to 100% how full that feels. So you can write that number down or just remember it, and we're going to go ahead and do some EFT tapping now. Ready? So on the side of your hand, even though I have this constricted breathing, I deeply and completely accept myself. Even though I have this constricted breathing, I deeply and completely accept myself. Doesn't matter which hand. Third time. Even though I have this constricted breathing, I deeply and completely accept myself. Now we do the reminder phrase on the tapping points. This constricted breathing. You can do it with one hand or both. This constricted breathing, right here at the beginning of your eyebrow point. This constricted breathing, right at the side of your eye on that bony part. This constricted breathing, right under your eye on that bony part there too. This constricted breathing. This constricted breathing, right under your lip. This constricted breathing, right on your collarbone point, right here. You can do both sides with both hands, or you can do one hand like this. And then under your arm, about 4 inches down, this constricted breathing. You can do it like this. You can cross your arms over. You can one over. Okay, so now we're going to measure. So go ahead and do a nice full breath and measure 0 to 100% how full your lungs feel. Was it better? Was it the same? Was it less? Go ahead and mark it down. And we're going to do another tapping round. Okay, so even though, repeat after me, I have this remaining constricted breathing, I deeply and completely accept myself. Even though I have this remaining constricted breathing, I deeply and completely accept myself. Even though I have this remaining constricted breathing, I deeply and completely accept myself. This remaining constricted breathing. This constricted breathing. This constricted breathing. This constricted breathing. This remaining constricted breathing. This remaining constricted breathing. This constricted breathing. This constricted breathing. All right, so now it's time to measure again. So go ahead and take a nice full deep breath. Measure. On a 0 to 100%, how full did that feel? Did you feel it more in your belly? Was it a deeper breath? Go ahead and take that measurement down. This is how you do that exercise, the constricted breathing exercise. You can practice this throughout the day to bring more oxygen into your body, more calming to your body, expanding and strengthening your lungs. Thank you for joining me.